Fixing a black screen issue is relatively straightforward. To start, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as a poor or intermittent connection can cause this error. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network if possible. If the issue persists on your smart TV, streaming device, or mobile device, restarting the device can help clear any temporary glitches. It's also essential to use the latest version of the application, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address the issue. You can check for updates in your device's app store. For mobile devices, clearing the app's cache and data can help resolve any corrupt data that may be causing the issue. Typically found in the app settings. Sometimes, playback errors occur due to service outages or maintenance. So checking for announcements about service disruptions is a good idea. If the issue only occurs with a specific video or channel, try watching a different program to determine if the problem is with the content or a broader issue. Checking the display settings on your TV or device to ensure they're configured correctly is also important, as incorrect settings can cause a black screen. For devices connected to a TV using an HDMI cable, ensure the cable is securely connected to both devices. Try unplugging and replugging the cable to see if that resolves the issue. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to the support team for further assistance, as they may be able to provide troubleshooting steps specific to your account or device.